do that, and then they want you to park a certain way so you can drive out quickly, I guess.
Oh, yeah.
They'll give you a ticket, not park right.
We're in the ocean already. Look at the crab. That's the crab. Very, very rough. Ah. Okay ka lang. Ay.
Talaga, oo. Pupunta ka pala ng ocean, hindi na ka nag-diretso.
Hindi ko naman alam.
Sabi ko, diretso, pupunta ng ocean, diretso. Alam ko, akala ko pupunta ng casino.
Akala ko kasi siya. Ito, para maglakad.
Sabagay, para pumayat ka.
Oo.
Ako, di ko na kailangan maglakad, nagpayat na ako.
Nothing much in here. They don't have shell. Shell.
They're all broken.
They're all sand with no shell. They look like a bullet. They look like I got practice shooting here.
Oh, these are to walk in that other sand was. Not as thick as sand. It's not,
I'm in the ocean again. Yay! Where you sit down? Where you to sit down? Somebody around here. Ah, doon pala. Yeah.
That you got your car.
where that tree came from.
That's the one that is straight ahead. The road.
Ah, look at the tree. See the tree, the ocean right there.
Huh?
The big tree.
Oh my goodness, the tree.
Tree in the ocean.
Just drive over here. Drive around.
Yeah. So nice. It's hard.
Di doon yung papasok straight ahead.
Somebody built the look. Somebody built it. Red crab, ha?
Sana punta daw doon. Sa downtown, di ba yung downtown hotel?
Downtown hotel, ha? Oh, ini?
You can drive up to.
Kaya nga, hindi katulad doon sa pinuntahan natin.
Punta natin nila Abit na maraming sa downtown. Dadaan tayo dun sa downtown. Kasi lang ito eh. Hotel lang ito eh. Ayaw yung Abit dito lang. Wala tatawag ko sabi ni Abit. Ayaw ko dito maglaro kay hindi ko na titingnan yung dagat. Baka mag-isa na. Ayaw niya pupunta ako laro dito. Baka raw busy maglaro.
Yeah, right. Bali, di may adahiton.
Ang daming dito. Oh, dami dito. Resort lang.
Oo.
Dito yung resort lang.
Dito. Aman.
Tsaka doon, oh.
Labit tao doon, oh.
Kaya kasi daw pa yun. Doon pa na resort. Downtown hotel. Jalan cukup semua. The
ocean. Look at that. I I'm here again.